Long ago, when the pyramids were still young, Egyptian kings played a game of great and terrible power. But these shadow games erupted into a war that threatened to destroy the entire world, until a brave and powerful pharaoh locked the magic away, imprisoning it within the mystical Millennium Items. Now, 5,000 years later, a boy named Yugioh unlocks the secret of the Millennium Puzzle. He is infused with ancient magical energies, for destiny has chosen him to defend the world from the return of the Shadow Games, just as the brave pharaoh did 5,000 years ago.
Hey, another one. Yugioh pack opening. Again with the 25 card. One not so rare card. That's not, you get it. And I hope I didn't get any other cards like last time, you know. Remember? I summoned the people running about. You know, hopefully you don't get no cards like that again. Yeah. Waste a minute trying to open this. What you guys doing today? Got future live streams planned out. Got a new game today. I would love it. Ace Combat 6.
For the glory of our country, regroup for a counterattack.
You have to leave now. As far away from here as you can. Come.
And I am selling some of these. You find out why. Machine Angel Absolute Ritual. It's a spell card. I actually got a couple of trap cards more. I got more trap cards out of this one. Still. Wow, finally. Missed it. No. Actually, I actually got more trap cards this time. They listened. Zephyr and Tranger, Rocket Hand, another trap card. Add more to the Right Princess. Need more of these things. Got a lot of fusions. I have a couple fusions. Ancient Gearhound. Hunting Hound, Deer Hunt. Performial, more to add to the Performial family. Pargain. Ojama Black. Junk Blader, Kaiser Glider, Flufflucat, Haloid of Creation, it's actually pretty good. effect. Keep that. Another. Okay, I now have another one. I think I have 3 of these already. This is the 3rd one. Luster Dragon. Hey, more than merrier. Another added to the Super Heavy family. I have the Super Heavy Samurai Soul Shield Wall. Really looks like a wall. Edge Imp Chain. Check that out later. Another Super Heavy Samurai Magnet. Freewful Cane. That's my stamina. Perfumio Skull. Combat Joker. Weird name. The Prime Mark. I think I have a couple of those. Like, Super Heavy Samurai Feet. And I have 2 of these. Luna Light Purple Butterfly. PSY Frame Accelerator. Pandora's Jewelry Box. Like, what is this? You have no cards, new extra. Draw 2 cards instead of 1. For your normal draw during the draw phase. Okay. That's pretty good, you know. I believe in using it. Anyways. Balloon Lizard. Okay. Stab him, he pops. Giant turtle who feeds on flesh. How can you get full? You just freeze on flame. They die out. Apparently there's a turtle that feeds on flames. Or you could just call it the giant turtle. You know, instead of always just linger this one. Giant turtle, okay? Feeds on dying out. Marco Kutai. Okay. Those all the cards. And the band played on. And the band played on. Yeah, they're definitely running out of names. They're definitely running out. Like, they keep making new shows, and it's like, they're running out of names. They're running out of, like, really cool names. They all are taken. They're all taken. It's like, let's just call this Crap Turtle. Bend up here. Maybe still have like in the box. They sometimes bend up. These are worth a lot of money soon once they actually buy out. Okay, this don't make no sense whatsoever. So apparently, can't really play. It's technically saying you can't play nothing. Can't special summon as those they control. Like, This really screws you both. Okay, but at least I got more trap cards this time. I usually get more spells, okay? Every pack, 2 or 3 spell cards. 1 or 2 trap cards. Now I got 2 spell cards and 4 trap cards. That's another Yu-Gi-Oh! Pack opening now. Now,